What's up, guys? Currently coming at you from the inside of a refrigerator, and I had something. God, this always happens. I had something important to say. I'm trying to remember what it was. Let me start over. What's up, guys? Coming at you from the inside of a refrigerator, and I wanted to let you all know that I will soon. I'll be making my God damn it! What was it? Hold on. It was. These freaking Androids never work. If I remember, I will tell you guys that I remembered. Oh, I just remembered.